This summer it was finally time for a long-awaited upgrade of Vilnius public transport system. A brand new fleet of Škoda 32Trs has arrived, and many more are yet to arrive. At the time of releasing this video, 38 trolleybuses have been delivered, with the remaining 53 to arrive in Vilnius up until the spring of 2025. So let's take a look why this will change the system and what is good and bad about them. In 2023, Vilnius ordered a fleet of 91 new 12-meter trolleybuses to thoroughly modernize a very outdated fleet. Vilnius is one of the last cities in the EU that still operates the trolleybus type Škoda 14Tr and 15Tr in revenue service. But over the next 2 to 3 years, this will come to an end. And while I have a soft spot for the Škoda 15Tr and 14Tr, in Vilnius they are in a poor state and are seen as a symbol for the city's underinvestment in public transport. Rust, mold and leakages are common occasions, and so it is time for something new. The Škoda 32Tr is a brand new model and is going to replace a big chunk of the Škoda 14Tr fleet. With 91 trolleybuses, they will make up around 44% of the future trolleybus fleet, whereas an order of 73 80-meter trolleybuses is about to be sent out on a tender. The Škoda 32Tr is a trolleybus that is in fact the SOR TNS12 that received Škoda electrical equipment. They have battery packages that allow them to drive around 20 kilometers without the use of overhead wires. Batteries are charged while the trolleybus is receiving current from the overhead wires, but do not need to stand still while being charged. This development, in-motion charging, in trolleybuses has made trolleybuses very flexible and enabled them to cover areas they could not access before. Also, in case of disruptions along the route, these trolleybuses can be rerouted, ensuring that service continues. In many places, this has caused municipalities to reconsider trolleybuses as a part of their public transport network, and as a result, we see a new wave of extensions or even new trolleybus systems make their appearance. For Vilnius, this could mean that trolleybuses will be operating routes that go beyond the overhead wires. And given the locations of the so-called connection funnels on the overhead wires, connections to the airport, the district of Pilaite, and an extension along ATTS Gatve are foreseen. However, the somewhat short-sighted decision to remove the overhead wires in the Old Town also appears to be taken. So, what are my thoughts about the new trolleybuses? Well, it is mixed. On one hand, the renewal was much needed, and any new trolleybuses would have been better than the Škoda 14Trs that they are replacing. But having said that, there are some imperfections that I want to touch on first. The most crucial one being the internal capacity. Apparently, the battery package requires a lot of space, and therefore there are no back seats added in these trolleybuses. And this just looks a bit awkward. Also, for one reason or another, the interior looks more packed than it did within, for example, the Solaris Trollino 12s. But am I overall negative? No, because the trolleybuses have some very good features as well. A redesign of the onboard information system has led to a strong improvement of the information shown. Now it is showing, for example, the connections along the line that can be made. Also, besides the regular USB-A power outlets, we can now also see USB-C outlets. Internal color choices are much brighter than in other models too. Going on with another positive, Vilnius has some of the first trolleybuses I am aware of that do not use mirrors anymore, but where cameras and onboard screens are used. So in any case, let me know what you think of Vilnius' new trolleybuses in the comments below. Did Škoda and SOR do a good job? And anyways, thanks for watching.